Hey guys, so today I've got a box that I've never had before and honestly I probably won't ever have again, and that is the Creepies box. Now I did actually originally find this through watching other people's unboxing videos. It looked really cute and everything. The only problem with this is that this, I believe, is last August's box. So it's taken a year and 4 months to arrive. Now, I understand that we were in a pandemic and they kept saying on their Instagram they couldn't get hold of like clay and stuff to make the things in the box. But I just don't really get it. I'm not going to say much more on the situation. I think it was just handled badly. There was no shipping notifications really for this. I didn't even know that this was on its way last week. There was not very constant updates on anything, and these boxes are £35 each, so do with it what you will. Obviously some people are going to love these, and that's great. If you want to go and get this, that's great. Me personally, I cannot wait a year plus for a box. It's just not something that I can do video wise and money wise. It just doesn't make sense for me. If this was a gift, I feel like it just is too long. So I won't be getting any more of these, but the stuff in it is pretty cute, so I am going to show you. I have had another box from these a couple of months ago, which was the box before this one, and honestly I didn't like that box. This one is a lot better. So like I said, I think it's either last July or last August's box, and the theme was gremlins, so that is why I got this one. So right on the top we just have their little business card with their information in case anyone is interested. I will put it all down below as well in the description. And then we had a little bag which says Fang Gang. Now, as well as these subscription boxes, they do also do a pin subscription as well. So in this box you get the pin and the other items. I have already opened it because I waited so long. I actually wanted to see what I'd got myself because I bought this with my own money. And it is a really cute pin. So this is our little gremlin pin. It's like a little gizmo bat kind of looking thing. Really, really cute. So that is the pin. Then we have a little Swizzles lollipop. And then we have two little boxes. So I don't actually know which one is which, but I'm just going to open one and show you them. So in this one, oh okay, so this one is our gremlin item, and this one is a little gizmo. So basically these are all handmade little clay figures. Basically they do commissions for like personalized ones and stuff, and they do loads of really cute creepy ones, Halloween ones, little Grim Reapers and stuff. Obviously, like I said, this is the Gremlins box, so this is our little gizmo. It is a little messy, honestly. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera, but in the white there is like quite a lot of hairs and stuff in there. But overall, he is pretty cute. So that is our little gremlin. And then in this one, we have a little card on the top, which looks like this, and it says, "Hello, my name is Goblin. You've never once heard me creeping. You really believe some pesky fairy? Well, how very dare she? I'm the creature who takes your teeth. No, I am most certainly no thief. In exchange for a gross tooth, I leave a very generous stinky poop." So it has that. Then it has a little tiny poop. So this is a little poop curl made out of clay. And then this is what our little guy looks like. Honestly, I don't really know what this has got to do with gremlins, but in the Alice in Wonderland box they sent a mushroom, so it doesn't really surprise me that this is what we got. However, I do absolutely love him. I think he is adorable. I think he's actually better than the gizmo one for me. He's like a little troll with some fuzzy hair, and he has these like little teeth that he's holding here in the front. Don't mind my nails, by the way, they're very gross. But yeah, so that is our little goblin that comes with a little poop. So that is him. And that was everything that came in the Fright Club Gremlins box. So there was just the little gremlin pin, the gremlin figure, and the troll figure. So these three, along with that tiny little poop as well and the little Swizzles lolly, is everything that was in the Fright Club box for £35. So yeah, I understand that they're handmade and it probably takes a lot of time and stuff, and maybe even the stuff to make them isn't that cheap, but I personally won't be getting any more of these. So pretty cute. I do love this little troll guy. I'm definitely going to keep these and put them somewhere. It's just not a box that I will be getting again. But yeah, you'll have to let me know what you thought of this anyway, if you've had it previously or if you're going to get it and try it out. They do sell single items on there as well, so you can buy these on their own. You don't have to get the box. I don't really know how long that takes, if it's quicker or anything. But yeah, I hope you like this video anyway. I'll put all the information down below for them in case you want to go and check them out, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.